Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Nespresso Essenza Mini, the model C30. It is small, easy to use and doesn't compromise on taste. It fits into the most spaces. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, make an espresso or lungo and see how it tastes. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Wow, it is small. Definitely small and compact. It fits anywhere. You can even take it with you on your vacation. The weight, it is about 2.3 kilos, so small, with a 0.6 liter tank. That is the tank. At the front we have the capsule container, up to 5 to 6, and the drip base. The drip grid, you can remove that and clean it. Goes here. The button for espresso and lungo. The lever for the capsule goes inside here, press and it locks. The water tank and lid, you can remove that, fill up with water, press and it locks. The power cord, it is about 60 centimeter. And at the base, of course, we have these 4 rubbers. It stays very well the Nespresso at your countertop, it doesn't move. That's all about for the device. Let's fill up with water and test it. Plug into the power outlet. Turn the machine on. Just press the Nespresso or the Lungo button. We have LED lights at the buttons. Are flashing right now. Heating up 25 seconds. Steady light. It is ready. Now it is ready and I will use the Nespresso Capriccio. Lift the lid, insert the capsule, place the cup here, then you need to choose 40 ml for the espresso if you want, or 100 ml for the lungo. Well, I will do an espresso first. Press is flashing, preparing. Oh, wow! And that was the espresso. Let's taste it. Nice, I like it. So tasty. Now let's try the lungo. First we need to lift the lever. The capsule goes at the capsule container. And repeat the process. New capsule. Press the lungo. It has an automatic shut off after 9 minutes. The pressure is 19 bars. The espresso and the lungo button are programmable with automatic flow stop. And you can buy it of course on a white or grey color. This is the black piano color. I think the lungo it is more suitable for me. And of course with the lungo you can do a freddo espresso. Let's try that. Adding sugar. We need ice. 2 ice cubes. Another 2. And that is the Freddo espresso. I like the most. Enjoy! And of course, as I mentioned, you can program these 2 buttons. Again, we need a new capsule. A cup. Press and hold either the ESPRESSO or the Lungo button. Release button once the desired volume is served. LED will blink fast 3 times. Let's try with the espresso. The button is flashing 3 times, and that's how we have the desired volume served. You can see that was the espresso by default, and that is on my own choice. And the same thing you can do and for the Lungo. And again, it tastes great. A new capsule. The cup, and press the Lungo button as much you want, and you will have the desired volume. Release, flashing, and stops. You don't need to do that all the time. Buttons right now are programmed. That means the next time you will press the espresso or the Lungo, it will have this volume at your cup. Let's try it and see. We need water. Press once. We have the same volume. This was the first cup was programmed, and the second I have tested by just press once the button. Nice. The same thing you can do and with the espresso, just press once and it will have the volume the same like this cup was programmed at the first time. Enjoy your coffee moment in the most convenient way with a great flavor, if that is espresso or Lungo, and only less than a minute. Well, my viewers, that was all about this Essenza Mini Nespresso in a piano black color, the model C30. I'm sure I will enjoy any drop of coffee on my cup. To turn off the Nespresso, press and hold the 2 buttons, off, turn on again. Now to adjust the automatic shutdown from 9 minutes to 30 minutes, switch it off, press and hold the Nespresso button for 5 seconds. It's flashing and you can choose press again 30 minutes, press again 9 minutes. And to exit the energy saving mode, just press and hold the Lungo button for 5 seconds and exit. And of course you can reset this unit, switch it off and press and hold the Lungo button for 5 seconds. Unit reset. That was all. And with that saying, my viewers, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who will need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.